back to Computer Experts. In this video, we will see how to save the MS Word 2007 file. For this, first of all, open your MS Word by typing the word over here in the search box. When you type word, MS Word document will open. Now click on the MS Word. Here you can type your document, whatever you want to type in this. For example, I'm just typing here Computer Experts, this channel, see all computer related videos. For example, you want to save this text. For this, first of all, you have to go to this office button, click on this one, and now click on save as. When you will click on save as, then you are able to see certain options like Word document, Word template, Word 2007. You don't have to change any of the thing, just click simply on the save as. And now what you have to just remember here is that in the below option there should be written Word document, and now see the extension .docs, right? So you have to just check out yourself. If this option is not selected in your Word file, then you have to just by manually select from here drop down menu. Okay, here the Word document .docs, right? This is the option which you have to remember always. Now you can just type your original name of the file which you want to keep, like I've written here computerexpert.docs. One option which you have to always remember is that the extension should be .docs, D-O-C-X. Okay, now click on save. In this manner your file is saved. But this file has been saved by default to the my documents, but I wanted to save this file on certain another location, like I want my file to save on the desktop. For this, just click on this again, save as, and from here click on desktop, and now change the name if you want to, otherwise just don't change. Click on save, and now close the MS Word file. Now see, your file is just saved on your desktop. In this way you can save your Word file on your desired location. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, I will tell you how to edit the text in Microsoft Word. For this, you need some of the text in your MS Word file, which I have already created on the desktop of mine system. So just open your file in which you want to do the editing. So in this video, we will see how to do the copy, how to use the cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, and find replace command. So let's start with the copy command. So for this, you have to just already select the text which you want to copy. For example, I just want to copy the first line of this Word file. Just press Ctrl C and go to the location where you want to paste your text. So I'm pasting it here. So see here, the original text is also there, and again the line has been duplicated to the location where I have pressed the Ctrl V command, that is the paste command, right? So in this way you can copy the text, and you can copy it as many times as you wanted, right? If you continuously press Ctrl V, it will just copy the text as many times as you will press the Ctrl V command, right? So let's go ahead to the second command, which is which is cut command. So just copy For this also you have to just select the text which you want to cut. For example, select the text and press Ctrl X. In this what will happen is the text will appear from the original location and it will get pasted to the location where you will paste it by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, once it has been disappeared from that location by using the cut command, you can paste it as many times as you wanted. Okay, so let's go to the third command, which is undo. If you are using the undo command in this, you can press Ctrl H. Okay, Ctrl H. As many as time you will press Ctrl H, the text, the already commands which you have performed will disappear because you are undoing. Like I've already pasted it, getting disappeared from the file. So if you want to use the redo command, which is for which you can use the shortcut of keyboard, which is Ctrl Y. Let's press Ctrl Y from the keyboard. Now what is happening is all the texts are appearing again on in the Microsoft Word file. In this way you can cut, copy, paste in your MS Word file. Another option which I will tell you today is about the find and replace command. It's very helpful in the MS Word. So let's start. Let's use the shortcut of this. How to use the find command. For this, first of all, press the Ctrl F from your keyboard. Now we'll replace the word command, COMMAND command, and click on replace. Actually, the system is hanging right now. Just wait. Now when you click on the replace option, then you have to just change the command, find word command, and replace with the word like option. Okay, and now in this screen you are able to see a replace all, find next, and cancel option. So we click on the replace all button. So the word has made 10 replacement for us. So just click on OK. Now what is happening is here all the text in which command was written has been replaced with the option. So in this way you can use the find and replace option. I hope you understood how to do the editing in the MS Word. Everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video we will see the formatting in MS Word. For this you can open your MS Word file. I've already created one. So these are the texts already in the MS Word file. In this you can apply certain options formatting into this. Just select the line on which you want to have some format. So first of all you can change the font of this line. So click on the line or text on which you want to apply the format. Like you want to change the font. If you're just clicking on the font in the background is also changing. So you are able to see which you want to keep, like you want to keep it New Times Roman. Okay, the font is now changed. Now now you want that the size should also get increased. For this you just go to the drop down menu and just select the font like 48, 72, 32 or something else. Like let it be 26, right? And now another option is here to enhance the font. To increase the font size, just click on this A. It is getting increasing. The font is getting increasing. And now if you click on the another option which is visible here, now it will decrease the font size. Okay, so another option which you can try here is you can make the text bold. Select this text and now click on the bold button. It will get bold. Again, if you're just pressing this B button, bold button, then it will get unbold. Okay, so in the next line we will see the italic option. If you click on the I, then it will become italic. If you again click, then it will not become the simple text. Okay, so now see the underline. Now the text has been underlined here. Okay, now I want that the color of this line to be changed. Okay, for this you have to just click on this drop down menu. You can select here the color like red, or you want to change it to the blue or yellow, but I prefer here the dark colors so that text may become visible here. Okay, also you can highlight the text which is here. So for this, MS Word is having the option of this highlighter. So just click on the text highlighter color. Here you can choose the color like you want to make highlighters with a red, sorry, yellow, green, or some other color. Okay, like this you can change the, you can highlight the text. If you're just scrolling further, then you can apply certain other options also. Like this is, again click on this and no color. Okay, now if you want that this the formatting of one line to be copied to another line, because there are certain things you have, just certain formats you have applied on a text, you want the same font, same formatting to be applied on the next line. For this you have to just select the line of which you want to copy the formatting, then click on the format painter and drag over the next line. The same formatting will apply on the that line. Okay, so here if you just clicking on it for the one time, then only you can apply, for the one time only. And if you want to apply uh, various times, then you have to just double click on the format painter, and now you can apply in the whole text until first of all you just have to select the formatting at least. So let's try again. Select the text of whom you want to copy the formatting. Now double click on the format painter and now drag over the text. See, here it is changing. Okay, in this way you can change your formatting over to formatting in the Microsoft Word file. I hope you have understood the formatting in Microsoft Word. This was Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts in the series of Microsoft Word. Today I will show you how to create a table in Microsoft Word. For this, first of all, type the word in the search box. Here you can open the Word. It's 2019 Word. So options options are there. You have to just click on blank document. Now here you can create the table by three ways. Click on the insert menu. So here click at the drop down So it's telling you a table is a great way to organize information within your document. So this is a grid. This is a grid of 3 by 3, means 3 columns and 3 rows. This horizontal is called the columns. These are called the rows. Vertical are the rows and the horizontal are the columns. Whatsoever you will select, the grid has been become orange and it's drawn on the Microsoft Word. Okay, here you can type your text. City, sales, cost, profit. Right. In this way you can edit your text. Second method to make draw a table is to click on the second option of draw table. Just drag this to the appropriate length and width, and now you can draw the rows and columns manually. Okay, this is a pencil. Here in this way you can draw the rows and column, and then by pressing the tab from the keyboard you can increase the number of rows. Means you first decide the number of rows in a number of columns in a table, and then by pressing the tab you can add as many rows as you wanted in a Microsoft Word. Okay, the third method to create, let's delete this. Third method is to click on insert, click here, and then click on the insert table. Here a window is coming. In this you can type the number of rows and columns. I wanted the 4 columns and the 3 rows. Okay, click on OK. In this way you can add. The cursor is in the second column. Now type here sales, cost, profit. If you want to highlight this first row, then select the row, press the shift button and the arrow key from the keyboard. You will select the first row. Then here, when you insert a table, then the two extra bars are added in the Microsoft Word. One is design and another is layout. Here at the drop down menu you can select any of the design. Okay, whatsoever you like you want the green one or the black one, blue one. I prefer the blue one. So here if you just check the banded rows and banded rows, banded row means it's highlighted in certain colors. Alternate rows, if you just adding rows by clicking the tab button from the keyboard. Okay, every alternate rows is highlighted. If you just uncheck the banded rows, then the alternate rows will highlighted option will just disappear. Okay, now the layout can also be changed. Here you can do the structural changes, like if this is a column. If you want to split the cell, this is called the cell. It is the intersection of rows and column. If you click on the split cell, you want to split in the 2 columns and 1 rows. Okay, see here the 2 columns has been inserted. Okay, in this way you can do various things. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for all the other videos of this channel. Until then, goodbye and good luck.